Well, we're back. It's about 10:30, and we're seeing that the sleet has accumulated significantly. Still no snow yet, and it's still coming down. You can still hear it. The roads are all slick right now, highly dangerous to drive on. The ground is still really slippery. The driveway is slightly dangerous, in fact. Tire tracks of the few vehicles that are brave enough to drive out here. If I didn't have such an incline to go up, I might actually take the Z out tonight. The only problem is I'm not going to get it back up in the driveway. The driveway is just too icy. Yeah. Well, it's all sleet. This is not snow. It's all frozen rain and sleet. Uh-oh. Starting to freeze up over here. You gotta run your water. Keep these things going. 'Cause once they freeze, the pipes go plooey. You hear the crunching of the ice when the wind blows.